Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Axie Infinity Axie Genetics Breakdown. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Understanding Axie genetics is crucial for breeding and creating unique Axies. To start, each Axie has a set of genes that determine its characteristics, such as body parts, abilities, and stats. These genes are represented by a combination of letters and numbers, and are divided into three main categories: body, eyes, ears, mouth, horn, and tail. The genetics system in Axie Infinity is based on a recessive and dominant gene model. Dominant genes will always be expressed if an Axie has one, while recessive genes will only be expressed if an Axie has two copies of the gene. This means that breeding Axies with dominant genes will increase the chances of their offspring inheriting those genes. When breeding Axies, the genetic traits of the parents are combined to create a new set of genes for the offspring. The genes are inherited in a Mendelian inheritance pattern, where each parent contributes one gene to the offspring. The offspring will then express the dominant gene, or a combination of the genes if they are recessive. For example, if you breed an Axie with a dominant gene for a certain body part, such as a horn, with an Axie that has a recessive gene for the same body part, the offspring will likely inherit the dominant gene and express the horn. However, if you breed two Axies with recessive genes for the same body part, the offspring will have a higher chance of expressing the recessive gene. Understanding Axie genetics is key to creating unique and powerful Axies. By selecting the right parents and understanding how genes are inherited, you can increase your chances of breeding Axies with desirable traits. It is also important to keep in mind that the genetics system in Axie Infinity is complex, and there is always an element of chance involved in breeding. To get the most out of Axie breeding, it is recommended to keep track of the genetic traits of your Axies, and to plan your breeding strategy carefully. You can use online tools and resources to help you understand the genetics system and make informed decisions about which Axies to breed. By mastering Axie genetics, you can take your Axie Infinity gameplay to the next level and create a unique and powerful team of Axies.